Welcome to our guide on how to use search filters in Twitter with the updated features. Let's dive into the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening the Twitter app on your Android device. Ensure you are logged into your account to utilize the search function effectively. Step 2. Tap on the search icon, represented by a magnifying glass located at the bottom of the screen. This will allow you to access the search feature within the app. Step 3. Enter your search query in the search bar at the top of the screen. Input the specific keywords or phrases you are looking for to initiate the search process. Step 4. Once you have entered your query, a list of search results will be displayed. At the top of this list, look for the filter icon, which may appear as sliders or settings. Tap on this icon to access the search filters. Step 5. Within the search filters, you can refine the search results by various criteria such as latest, people, photos, and videos. Select the filter that aligns with your search preferences to narrow down the results effectively. By utilizing the search filters in Twitter, you can tailor your search results to find the most relevant and up-to-date information based on your search criteria. Experiment with different filters to enhance your search experience and discover content that matters to you. Happy searching on Twitter!